Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your network speed in your status bar on your Redmi 13. There are two places where you can set it to be appearing in your status bar. First is under Security. Here in Common Features, if you don't see data usage, you can enter the Edit Common Features option and turn it on. You can also turn on Test Network. Under Test Network, you can just see every single app and how much of your network it's using, both download and upload. Then under Data Usage, you can tap on the Settings icon and then Show Network Speed. This will show your network speed right here in the corner. You can also find that option under Settings, here Notification and Status Bar, and then Show Connection Speed. Just turn that on and you will see your connection speed in the top right corner as before. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.